W, y, w, y. Are these vowels or consonants? Well, they're a little bit of both. Let's find out why. Hi, I'm Damien, and I'm the sledgehammer that smashes down English language barriers. And this series is all about helping you get better with pronunciation. These techniques will make it easier for people to understand you. In this episode, we focus on the consonant or semi-vowel sounds of w and y. If you want to learn English, you're in the right place. Remember to keep watching as I'll explain why w and y are so useful in connected speech. Okay, before we look at w and y, it's important to see where they fit in the big picture of the phonemic chart, or what I like to call the map of the mouth. This beautiful chart designed by Adrian Underhill shows you what to do with your nose, lips, teeth, tongue, roof of the mouth, jaw, and voice box. W and y sit at the bottom of the chart. They're both voiced and they sit next to each other because they are both considered to be semi-vowels. They are semi-vowels because they don't block or restrict air like a normal consonant does. For example, p, you're using your lips, or you're using your tongue touching your top two front teeth. For w, make your lips round and hard. W. And you're using your voice box. Have a look inside. Pronunciation power tip. Some students confuse the sound of w with v. What's the difference between those two sounds? W, v. That's right, it's your teeth. In v, your teeth are on your bottom lip, while with w, there's no teeth touching. V, rabbit teeth, w, no rabbit teeth. V, rabbit teeth, w, no rabbit teeth. Got it? While for y, quickly move your jaw and tongue down. Make sure the tongue isn't anywhere near the roof of your mouth. Y, y. Look inside. Because these sounds are like vowels, they're used in connected speech. Let me give you two examples. Go out becomes go out. Go out. While we all becomes we all. We all. Still confused? Don't worry, I'll be making a full series about connected speech in the near future. Remember, you need to practice like you're going to play. Pronunciation isn't in your brain, it's a physical sport. You need to start moving those facial muscles. To help with this, in each episode we have a 2-step practice routine. Minimal pairs and tongue twisters. Okay, repeat after me, then try it yourself. And remember, don't just say it, feel it. Be really aware of what's happening inside your mouth. Wine, vine. West, vest. Wet, vet. Jam, yam. Joke, yoke. Tongue twisters are good exercises for your mouth. They help you move quickly between different sound positions. I'll do it slowly, then quickly, and after that, you give it a go. Wee Willie Winky went walking in the wet wood. Wee Willie Winky went walking in the wet wood. Yaks yanking yellow yo-yos. Yaks yanking yellow yo-yos. There you have it. W and y, the semi-vowel sounds of English. If you haven't already, make sure you sledgehammer that subscribe button to continue on this language learning journey with me. Remember, practice is so important with pronunciation. Every opportunity you have, put yourself in front of a camera or a mirror and practice your new sound. Start taking your English mask off today. See you later.